Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 souvenirs to buy at Insadong, including 4 personalized souvenirs. Number 1 is a name stamp, and this is called the Dojang Stamp in Korean. It's a small rectangular stone, and on the tip, which is square, they will carve in your name. And you can have it done in English, in Hangul, or probably any language you choose as long as the letters are Roman. The price range of the stamp is anywhere from 30,000 won to over 100,000 won, so it's about 30 to 100 US dollars depending on the type of stone you choose. My daughter Sion has been asking me to get her personalized name stamp forever, and I finally took her to pick out her own. She was super excited, but she takes forever to choose anything or make a decision, so we had to go to all of the stamp shops and look at just about everything, and then she finally picked one and she loves it. I paid about 35,000 won for the stamp plus the engraving, and if you want a heart or a star to dot your I, that costs more. Number 2, a personalized leather item. There's this little stand in the Ssamziegil shopping center that sells personalized leather goods. I have such a weakness for personalized items. I love giving gifts like this, and I love having things with my name on them. So you can pick out a passport case, a pouch, a name badge, or a card case, or another leather item. And then once you've chosen your leather item, you can pick out a matching strap to imprint your name on, and then you can pick out some different charms that you might like to also glue on or hammer onto the leather. And they have so many things. It's so fun to just dig around in here. I came here with my mom and my daughter, and we all just had a blast standing in front of here looking at all the little charms. When you're done picking everything out, you just give it to the worker and he or she will assemble it. I think ours took about 15 minutes, but it depends on how many people are waiting. And here's the passport case that my mom got. Number 3, a mini portrait. Right next to the leather goods shop in Ssamziegil, there's this studio that makes personalized portraits. The people are tiny and they don't have a face, but I just thought this was super cute. You can also get little wooden figures made as well as magnets. Super cute. Number 4, a suitcase strap. There is another shop in Ssamziegil that embroiders your name on these nylon luggage straps, and I think that this is a really cute gift idea for an adult. As a safety issue, I've been advised not to put my kids' name on things like their backpack or their suitcase because this can enable strangers to call them out by their first name, which can lead to a dangerous situation. So I would never put my kid's name on here, but maybe you can put a phrase that is special to you, or maybe put an adult's name on it. Anyway, I think it makes for a nice personalized gift. Number 5, Korean bags or pouches. These little pouches that they sell on the street are super Korean-y, and they're really pretty in my opinion. They probably range from about 3 to 15 US dollars or so, and they make a nice lightweight packable gift. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Number 6, a worry doll. There's this adorable little shop called Duridu that sells a Korean take on the Guatemalan worry dolls, and they're basically these little dolls that are made out of paper, and kids can tell the dolls what their worries are, and the dolls are supposed to take their worries away. But anyway, I think this makes for a super cute gift. Sienna and I actually decided to buy the book to learn how to make these worry dolls ourselves. We haven't made any yet, but I love to collect craft books, and I think it's fun to just see all the different variations that the artist made. I think that other people have probably bought this book and made their own worry dolls, because when we were at a street fair, we found this worry doll, and it looks a little different from the ones you see here, but I guess the artist just did their own take on it. This shop also sells really adorable postcards, and I think this is a great card for somebody who worries a lot. Number 7, a mother of pearl jewelry box. If you want to get super fancy, you can get a mother of pearl jewelry box, and these are pretty expensive, but this is a traditional Korean craft, and these things are just super gorgeous. I took a class with Sienna where we learned how to make mother of pearl crafts, and if you want to see it, I'll link it up in the corner. It's on my vlog channel. We made these hand mirrors. These boxes are made of wood, and then they're painted with black lacquer and decorated with abalone shell in these beautiful intricate patterns. Number 8, butterfly tassels. I first learned about these through my law school roommate. They can be used as a zipper pull for your purse or backpack, or you can just hang it somewhere. I think they cost about $1 to $2 each, and they're a great souvenir. Number 9, Kkultare. This is a dessert that Korean kings used to eat, and it's made of rice and honey, and then the rice and honey is fermented and it becomes this hard rock which they poke a hole in and they stretch it out into 16,000 strands, and they'll count the strands for you and put on a little show to entertain you while they make it. And then they will cut up the strands and put a little scoop of nuts and seeds inside and wrap it up, and it makes for a really pretty gift. And I think this is a great souvenir to bring home during the cooler months, but in the summer it'll probably melt or go bad. Finally, Korean traditional snacks. These snacks are sweet and they're made of seeds and nuts, and they're kind of healthy. If you guys want to see more about traditional Korean snacks, then check out the video linked up here. But not all of the snacks are packable, so some things like dokk have to be eaten within a day. But if they look like this, they should probably be fine. If you're interested in watching an extensive guide to Insadong, make sure to check out my video. I'll link it in the corner. So as a little bonus, I'm going to take you shopping at one of my favorite places in Insadong, which is this shopping center called Ssamziegil. It's a 4-story shopping center, and this is where you can get the poop pancake, but there's also a ton of little cute shops in here. First of all, I just want to say, do yourself a favor and never ever get your caricature drawn here. We paid about $70 for this, and oh my gosh, I totally regret it because I'm really not a fan of the style of this artist. I feel like this shopping center really focuses a lot on independent artists, so you won't see a lot of big chain stores here. A lot of the things you'll find here are handmade. I've been to the jewelry and accessories district in Dongdaemun, and I've seen where a lot of these jewelers get their pieces from, and I could see that they assemble them themselves. Here you can find really cute and unique gifts that you probably won't find elsewhere. I mean, these vegetable headphone ties, come on, they're just way too cute. Now, I can't guarantee that these stores will be here even 5 or 10 years from now because things are always changing and cycling in and out, but for now, this is a really cute place to find independent designs. There's also a place where you can wear hanboks and take photo booth photos if you don't feel like wearing a hanbok and walking around the temples. And if you like hats, then you'll probably find a ton of cute stuff here. Hats seem to be a favorite subject in this shopping center. I hope you enjoyed going shopping with me. For more videos about Insadong, make sure to check out my playlist linked here.